my DJ. Let's see my DJ, they get going.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ChanellTales, and I'm going to tell you a tale. So today we got little things going on. I know I sound sick, y'all. I don't know what it is, but I've been sick lately, and it's kind of annoying. But today we have two things that we're gonna do today, but they're both kind of fun. So we're about to go to Platform to watch the Carolina Panthers game. It's their playoff game, so like it's something big because the Carolina Panthers ain't been in the playoffs since Cam Newton. Okay, so it's been a minute, and like the whole city is just turned out for this game. So we're gonna go to this place called Platform. It's like a sports bar or whatever. So we're gonna go there, and then immediately after we are going to this what is it called? But anyways, it's just basically where, you know, that those TikTok mixes that be hitting the mixes of the songs. So basically we're going to a party that is just all that type of music. Not gonna lie, I'm super stoked for this. I feel like it's gonna be a vibe. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit when I stand up. But we have made it to Platform. Let me show y'all. It look live in here. It's always live though, so we gonna see. Parking situation is packed per usual. Nothing new once again. It's so packed in here. And it's so loud. I can't even think. So who you going for? Rams. What? I'm going for the Carolina Panthers just because that's where I live. Baby said he going for the Rams. Don't say it too loud with all these people. I think this is it right here. Are y'all ordering food? God damn. Way back there. Y'all, this is insane. Look at all these people. So we're gonna get us some wings, and then I'll let you know when we get those. It's gonna take like 4 hours, I ain't gonna lie. So as y'all can see, Platform is behind me. So we're just leaving because it's just like too much going on in there. It's very overstimulating. It's taking forever to do anything. Can't get no food, can't get no drinks, can't do nothing. We had to come to Old Faithful to get us some wings. These wings, and then go home and watch the game. That party I was telling y'all about, it's called a broiler room. Much better.
Relax your mind while we smoke the sweet. I'ma take your body, shawty, up with me. Flex around and know the shawty.
We Ubering home. That's liquor.
It's $1,000 bill shoes, you don't even know it. And then you gon' know it. Damn, who shot you? They don't even know it. Hawks game.
So this is where we going. Everybody just standing around. I don't like that.
What we going? We tell them. I woke up feeling like
when I get drunk, I eat a little pussy.
All right, my social battery going down. Never mind.
What you doing? What else? Okay.
Taking parlays in the club is insane.
I need one more for that 460. Y'all see them greens, nigga? I need one more for that 460.
Now I can't be up like a biggest star just to get my stacks up. Now I see niggas talking shit.
DJ is coming to get you right. Don't worry, DJ Vega is in the motherfucking house.
DJ, that's my DJ. Go TJ, that's my DJ.
Come on, man. 1 year anniversary gather. We just kicking this thing off. DJ Vega is coming out next.
One thing, now look, I already see what DJ Vega going. So I need you to get with your best pitch right now. Don't play, get with your best pitch right now. The one that you really fuck with. The one that you really fuck with now.
We came outside to sit down. It's like a little seated area. We're sitting on these little benches. It's heat in here, so yeah, like 5 minutes ago, and I seen how to shake that I can never sleep. I say, yeah. Losing my voice. I have Pilates, hot yoga in the morning. Am I gonna make it? We about to go get Waffle House. I don't know what time it is. I ain't gonna lie, 10 out of 10. I can't even hear y'all. You know what's so crazy? I don't know if I'm talking loud or soft. Because I can't hear. Good morning, y'all. I know I look crazy. I have these eye masks on my eyes because yesterday was tea, not gonna lie. It was so good. We had a great time just like being out in the atmosphere when we first got there. At first people was kind of like in the back just like chilling, standing, and I don't like that. But then, you know, you go where your vibe is wanted, and we went towards like the front after we got our drinks. Very tea. Yeah. But I got these eye masks on because my eyes are very puffy. Goodness. But yeah, so then we were gonna go to Waffle House, but we decided not to because this is no spend January. And the Broiler Room, if I didn't tell y'all this, it was free. We got free tickets. The guy was offering them on TikTok, so I clicked the link and it worked. So we got free tickets. Real dope. 10 out of 10. If you've ever seen or heard of a Boiler Room, go. Now this video was kind of short, but you know, I just wanted to show you guys a little something different. Thank you guys for watching ChanellTales. I'm Chanel, and I told you a tale. Bye.